Hello and welcome to day 4 on building a campus network. On day 4, we are going to configure devices in VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and then the gateway. So without wasting much time, I'll go to PC1, which happens to be in VLAN 10 network, and I'll set the IP address. So IP will be 10.1.10.12. 10.10 is configured on core switch 1, 10.11 is on core switch 2, and then 10.12 is on PC1. So /24, and I'll configure same for PC2, which happens to be on VLAN 20 network. So IP 10.1.20.12, 20.10 is on core switch 1, 20.11 is on core switch 2, 20.12 happens to be on this PC, happening to be in the VLAN 20 network. So also /24. And now we configure the gateway. On the gateway, we are going to configure the interface pointing to the NAT to accept DHCP, accept addresses from our cloud or internet provider, and interface 1/00 rather will be pointing to our internal network. So it happens to be the gateway. That's the concept of a firewall. In later videos, I will substitute this router with a pfSense firewall. So config T. So interface 0/0, IP address 10.1.100.253.255.255.255.0. No shut. Exit. Interface. Sorry. Exit. Interface first. /1. IP DHCP. IP address DHCP. So now show run shows me that the running configuration on the router, fast Ethernet 00, which will be pointing to our internal network. It's running on 100.253, and fast Ethernet 01 is on DHCP. So do show IP. So that's our IP addresses. So our first, I wouldn't connect the devices for now. So now we have IP addresses for VLAN 1, 10, 20 configured on core switch 1. Same applies to core switch 2, and we only have interface VLAN configured with an IP address with VLAN 10 and 20. Same applies here. Now, one thing I must do is I must change the host name to gateway. I'll save the configuration. Same for PC1. So save. Same for PC2. Save. So that ends today's video. And in our next video, we're going to see how to configure Ether channel. As I said, interface 00 and 0 gigabyte 00 and 01 on both core switch 1 and core switch 2 will be forming an interface channel, so that in case one of the links goes down, the other port will be used to transfer the traffic. And we are doing it because these are our core switches, and therefore a lot of configurations and a lot of commands or a lot of configurations has been done on these switches, and they are our core switches, which is going to perform a lot of duties in our local network. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video.